Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, all right.
Got trap jumping like frog leg. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Yes, sir, man. Mad Mars Cars back with another one. Like, subscribe with it, baby. Haven't, man. Like and subscribe with that bell if you haven't, man. About to do these breaks on this TrailBlazer. Y'all stay tuned in, man. Things started scrubbing. Gotta knock them things out right fast. You did. Y'all stay tuned in, man. Mad Mars Cars. Yeah, man. Locked in with it. Y'all see, like, I messed up. So, like I said, I messed up, y'all. Because, y'all see this? Man, I was riding last night, bro. And I heard it, like, so I'm like, bro, what in the world? Come find out. But my brake pad gone. The brake pad on here, but it's gone. Like, it started eating into my rotor. See that? It's a big groove, bro. So last time I tell you, I'm gonna have to replace these rotors, which I was gonna do anyway since I got the big accessory on now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I see that thing 8, bro. That thing 8, bro. But you know, I'm replacing these anyway, man. One, drill the slided rotors and bigger brakes. So it'll be alright, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm replacing it anyway. So I'm not tripping, but I am tripping like, dawg. That's all I can say, like, dawg, bro. Like, you know, changing brakes, simple job, whatever they call it, not rocket science. I was straight. Y'all see what's going on, working in the Mad Mars gear. You know what I'm saying? Working in the Mad Mars gear, man. Y'all see? So I do my work in. I do work in the Mad Mars gear, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Now y'all see what I'm talking about like this. Just do one of these. You feel me? You just do one of those, you feel me? Now look. This is ridiculous, dog. Look at that. Man. It's crazy, dog. Uneven wear. Y'all see that? Uneven wear. Uneven wear. Majorly. That's what I was saying, man. I knew my brakes when they're bad, bro. This got extremely bad out of nowhere, bro. Like, I'm like, God. Look at that, man, homie. C-clamp. You gotta have this C-clamp, man. So, do the C-clamp gonna do. The C-clamp gonna push back those pistons. You know what I'm saying? That's what the C-clamp gotta do. The C-clamp push back those pistons. If you didn't know, now you know. If you didn't know, now you know. If you didn't know, now you know. You gotta have this C-clamp, boy. So I'm gonna tell y'all, if you don't have a C-clamp, what's gonna happen? You gotta push the pressure back. You gotta put these pistons back. You have to push these pistons back, man, because it get air. Push these pistons back, take air out the what's called. Like you see you turn them. See you turn them right. See the thing going back. See how it's going inside the caliper. You gotta do that, bro. Every time you change brakes, bro. Or when you put your tire on your brakes, so when you put the brakes in your tire on, when you hit the gas, when you hit the brake pedal, don't do that. It'll go straight to the floor. See, another thing I messed up, y'all. I didn't even take my cap off. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even take my cap off. I messed up with it. I ain't did brakes in a while, excuse me. But that cap's supposed to be off, huh? You know what I'm saying? Gotta have that cap off. That's my fault. That cap off, I continue doing what I was doing. And this C-clamp on this C-clamp on these pistons. I see I got this one all the way in. Now we go to the next one. Now we go to the next one. I would use a C-clamp. I don't know what everybody else use. I would use a basic old C-clamp. Knock the job out. But yeah, man, ain't no brake job is an easy job, bro. Don't let nobody tell y'all it's hard, because it's not. It's not. I had a Volkswagen, right? This Volkswagen got the emergency brake is like it's electronic. That junk crazy, bro. Like for real. Like that junk crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, you gotta use a tool, like a computer type junk to take that junk off, bro. You know. I'm gonna use a U-pad back in there, make it more even. Like, man, I'm showing y'all all the tricks and trade, bro. I'm showing y'all all the tricks, bro. I'm gonna put a U-clamp in there. I mean, what's it called in here? So both of the pistons go down at the same time, make it easy. I know. My jack stands, I don't know where they went to. You know, my cousin, them, I always get them stuff, man. And don't play my stuff, don't put my stuff back, bro. So I don't know what them jack clamp them jack stands. But now, this is the trick though, y'all. You ain't got no jack stands. Bro, put something under your car, bro. So you don't have to worry about that car falling on you. You feel me? You ain't got a jack stand. I'm just saying. These are remedies right here. I'm just saying. But you ain't got no jack stand, my boy. But put something under that car, boy. You feel me? But put something under the car, boy, you ain't got no jack stand, boy. But you don't want stuff to fall on you, bro. And that's your real. So you ain't got no jack stand. You ain't got no jack stand. Put something under that car, boy. I'm telling you now. You don't want the junk to fall on you now. I'm telling you. That's what you don't want. You might lose something. I'm just being real. You might lose something. So, don't want that to happen. My boy. So, a lot of times out of 10, bro, I be leaving these on. Every time I try to put some new ones on, they don't never just. Every time I put some new ones on, they don't go right. Like, never. Every time I put these new things on, bro, it's always something like, why they don't just go on like supposed to? Well, on this truck, first time doing it, and that went bad enough. It went straight on. That went straight on. Those were bad. I don't want bad at all. I know them things gonna be like that. No, it wasn't bad. That's all wrong. That's all wrong, my boy. Oh, what is it? Nah, it was on that right. It was on that right. It just felt wrong. That ain't on that right though. Shows on that right. It just felt wrong again. That guy on that right though. Yeah, on that right. Oh, I ain't take the top one. My bad. I ain't changed the top one. My fault. It's my fault. It's my fault. Yeah. Y'all see, man, that ain't hard, bro. I said anybody can change their brakes, bro. Anybody can change their own brakes. It's still not rocket science, dog. At all, just take time, little time. And it don't even take long, bro. Like, I'm about to do this and get out, y'all. I had to. I'm about to do this and get out of here and handle my business. Show you I could've, I was about to do it at the, shoot. I was about to do it at the gas station. Not the gas station, at the auto parts store. I'm at the auto parts store. I'm about to knock it out, boy. I'm like, man, I need to do these things now. All I was saying, man, I need to do these things now. Like, for real. I ain't got the stuff so bad, man. Yeah, I know this the whatchamacallit stuff. This the brake lubricant. Brake lubricant. You know what I'm saying? If you know what I'm saying, like I said, I ain't did brakes so long, bro. Well, I did the back brakes. I ain't like, even when I did them, I was saying the same thing. I was like, bro, I ain't did brakes in so long, bro. I was saying the same thing even when I did these. I'm like, boy, I ain't did brakes so long. It's one of those things, man. You got different cars, different setups, but man, the brake job really stayed the same, bro. Really stayed the same, bro. Like I said, it's not rocket science. Y'all, as you can see, the package side done. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, the package side is done. It don't take nothing now but some to put everything back together. Go to the next side. Same thing. When you done, you gotta pump them brakes. You know what I'm saying? You As you can see though, job done. Oh, like how hard that is going down on there like that. That means something ain't right. That means something ain't right. Damn. Easy peasy, man. It is. Told y'all to lay hard. Y'all didn't believe me though, huh? Oh man, it's simple, bro. Joe don't take nothing. You know how much money I save doing this myself? Probably a couple $100. Probably about $400-500. They're doing it myself. At least 3 something. These folks don't be playing, but they gonna hit you over your head to do the smallest job. I guarantee you that. Folks don't care, boy. They gonna hit you over your neck. Let's see that done. Now we go to the other side. That done. Let me go to the other one. Tie that on. You feel me? Put the tire back on. 20-inch SS, not replicas. These are the real ones. These aren't replicas. So if you think they're the replicas, try again, homie.